Trading tips for beginners. Certainly, here are some key tips for beginning trading. I can offer an overview of the most important points to consider. Education is key. Before you start trading, invest time in learning about the financial markets, trading strategies, and different asset classes. Select your market. Decide which financial markets you want to trade in, such as stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. Risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose in a single trade. Use stop loss orders to limit potential losses. Create a trading plan. Develop a clear trading plan with defined goals, entry and exit strategies, risk tolerance, and position sizing rules. Start with a demo account. Practice trading using a demo account to gain experience without risking real money. Technical and fundamental analysis. Learn both technical analysis charts, patterns, indicators, and fundamental analysis economic data, news, to make informed decisions. Choose a reliable broker. Select a reputable broker with low fees, good customer support, and a user-friendly trading platform. Diversification. Don't put all your capital into a single asset. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Emotional control. Keep emotions like greed and fear in check. Trading based on emotions often leads to poor decisions. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market news, trends, and new trading strategies. Markets evolve, and so should your knowledge. Risk-reward ratio. Aim for a favorable risk-reward ratio in your trades. Ideally, your potential reward should outweigh your risk. Position sizing. Determine how much of your capital to allocate to each trade based on your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Record keeping. Maintain a detailed trading journal to analyze past trades, identify mistakes, and refine your strategy. patience and discipline. Avoid impulsive decisions. Stick to your trading plan and be patient for the right opportunities. Contingency plans. Plan for unexpected events and market volatility. Have contingency plans for various scenarios. Thanks for watching.